Hello students, welcome to Samclasses. Today in this video we'll be talking about the most important, the pass package. Now to be on the safer side, we'll be considering 40 as the pass package. Okay, so now let's see from which part we can easily score 40 marks and we can be safe, we can be chill if our main intention is just to pass the exam. So let's start this video. So first thing is, the most important part for you to pass the exam is the 5 markers. Guaranteed, and the 5 markers repeats a lot. The 5 markers in 5 markers repetition is a lot, students. So if you are targeting the 5 markers, it becomes very easy to score them because most of them are almost same, keeps coming same, and you can just easily do it. So let's see which chapters the 5 markers are coming. So if you see here, I have already marked relation function, 2 questions, 5 markers comes. Very simple, very easy. Okay, we'll show you what kind of question comes also. So don't worry. Matrices 1 5 marker, determinants 1 5 marker, continuity differentiability you can target 1 5 markers. These 6 5 markers are very simple, very easy. Okay, so you can get 30. For being on the safer side, you can take one of 3D because 4 derivations are there. Out of that 4 derivations, 1 comes. Okay, so this one you can take. Probability, both the questions are very simple, binomial distribution and maybe one simple kind of probability but bit lengthy. So very simple question comes. So you'll be on the safe side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8, definitely you'll be easily you'll be able to score 6 properly. So 30 marks got here. Now one 10 marker you need to do. Which one? So the 10 marker which you need to touch is the LPP, giving you 6 marker and one question of metrics done. So you don't have to worry. What you have to do for the pass package, 5 markers you have to take here and 110 marker. So that gives you the 40 marks and you're passed. Now what kind of questions keeps coming up? Bhaiya, you're saying the 5 markers are easy. Okay, so kind of give us an idea what kind of questions keeps coming up on the 5 markers. So let's see and let's analyze the 5 markers. Okay, so first on relation function, if you see the sample paper, okay, if I see the sample paper, students, let me just enhance it. Okay. Now, if I see the sample paper here, what is the question? A set is given, B set is given, a function is given, and you have to prove 1, 1 on 2. Very simple. Second, again a function is given, condition is given. We have to show that it is invertible. When do we say a function is invertible? When it is bijective, 1, 1 on 2, done. So the question mostly comes on 1, 1 on 2. So if you understand how to do the inverse, or how to do the F1, 1 on 2, deal done. 10 marks then and there you're able to score without much worry. So these two should be your first priority. Let's say you're starting right now also, you don't know anything of maths. So first priority, these two to be done. How to do check 1, 1 on 2 and how to check invertible, that is basically 1, 1 on 2 only, done. Okay, you can use FOG or GOF also. Now, coming to the next matrix, this is big but easy. Calculative, you have to be very serious here. A bit here and there you do, gone case. So what you have to do is, you have to be very serious here while writing the numbers. Okay, a lot of students, they have taken the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here 9 is there, they wrote 8. One small mistake and you will end up getting 0. So what you need to do is, be very serious, very simple. Nothing of brain is used. But you have to be cautious. Okay. Now, matrix method again very simple for the determinant part. X equal to delta 1 by d or delta 2 by delta, y is equal to, and z is equal to delta 3 by delta, and what is delta, we'll be able to find it out. I'll show you. Very simple it is. Today the 5 marker sessions will have a discussion how to solve all these kinds of questions. All the 5 markers will be touching it, will be doing it, and it keeps on repeating. So that's the fun part of it. Okay. So first, let's come up again. Relation function, we are getting how many? 2 questions, 10 markers, and basically both are based on 1, 1 on 2. So let's see what the previous years came in 1, 1 on 2. Now this previous year's paper you can download from the app. App link is given in the section below. Okay. So in the detail section or whatever the section is, they are forgetting the name. So in the section below, the app link is given. Okay. So just download it and all the paper will be there. You can print it out, you can just take it out. Okay. So let's see in relation and function, students. Relation and functions. See, how many times? 16, 17, same repeat. 15, 20, same repeat. Okay. So they are repeating and always same. What? Invertible or 1, 1 on 2. Invertible or 1, 1 on 2. Invertible or 1, 1 on 2. See, prove that invertible, prove that invertible, prove that invertible. See, none of the questions. So this is a guaranteed question. If you know how to solve, how to do the invertible questions, done. 10 marks nobody can take from you. So understood, students? The past package 10 marks is here. And it will take not more than 15 minutes to learn this 10 marks. 15 minutes is equivalent to 10 marks, and that is very important. Okay. So you can use this tagline 15 minutes equal to 10 marks. Okay. Now next, coming to the next question. What we saw in the matrix part, this kind of question comes like where A plus B whole transpose. First you have to add them using basically the property one. We are verifying the property by using the values of the matrix. Okay. So let's see the matrix part, what the question comes. So if you see in the matrix part, either that kind of question comes, multiplication, or this kind of finding inverse or finding like multiplying the matrix and doing it. So 5 markers is like a super chill for you. See, every time similar, nothing much difference. Okay, only you have to make sure that this is one kind. This verification is one is like verification kind problem, and the other is where you have to find this value of to show. Okay, show that this a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0, and from there sometimes they'll give you find a inverse also. So very simple as it is. Okay, very simple questions are coming in this matrix part. So 5 marks guaranteed here. Two kinds of questions, okay, which you can easily learn in 5 minutes, 15 minutes max. So here 15 minutes is equal to 5 marks. Done. So how much time you spent? 13 minutes, and you made sure that 15 marks is there with you. Next, what we saw in the determinant part, one question of matrix method. So if you see the 5 markers of determinants, always matrix method, matrix method, matrix method, matrix method. So a guaranteed matrix method question comes. Okay, very rarely like proof is also there, but for your part, mostly this time it will be coming for the 3 markers. Most chances are there, and matrix method is more on the 5 markers because this proof comes for 4 markers and matrix method is 5 markers. So matrix method is lengthy, definitely. No denying on the fact that matrix method is lengthy, but it doesn't take a lot of brain to do it. It's simple. If you know how to do it, I'll show it also. It's very damn simple. So you will be able to do it very easily. So matrix method, again, it will take not more than 15 minutes to learn this concept and 5 marks in. So total 45 minutes we have spent and we got how much? 20 marks. So we are inching towards our passing package. Even if somebody doesn't know anything, forget about it. You need to pass, I'll make you pass in the least possible time. Okay, next. After that, what we have? Now coming to next, after that, what we have is, now one question from dy by dx. Either they'll give you a parametric or they'll give you normal proof or double derivative one. Okay, so one simple question comes from dy by dx also. Let's see what kind of question keeps coming every time. So if we come to the PYQ section of 5 markers, so you'll see all questions which are there in NCERT in the last exercise, okay, of double derivative one, you'll see all of them are repeating one. That's it. This log one is like most of the repeating one. So every time almost similar questions. This here is one time. A bit here you have to show, like you have to do a trick, okay, so that it comes out more easily. I'll show you that also. And this here is like damn simple, nothing you have to do. In this part directly just differentiate, done. And that too 2 times here. You don't have a triple derivative also. So then nothing more than that. So this also it will take max 15 to 20 minutes. So around 105 minutes means 1 hour. 5 minutes we have wasted or like we have used, and efficiently we have used, and we have generated 25 marks. Clear? No doubt? Okay, sir. Now coming to the next question which I told you. Now this one. What is that one? This is 3D. Derive the equation of a plane perpendicular to a given vector passing through a given point both in vector and Cartesian form. So these derivations, 4 or 5 derivations are there in the 3D part. Do it solid. Properly do it with me. Done derivations. Nothing more you need to do. So this will take around 30 minutes and you'll be safe and secure and you'll be able to be done. For extra, you can practice the PYQs. So this derivations, okay, So now 135 minutes means 1 hour, okay, 40, 65 and 95 minutes. So 1 hour, 1 hour and 35 minutes we have used, okay. So 1 hour 35 minutes we are done with 30 marks. So we passed. So let's take a bit more way, 2 hours and you're done with the whole thing, the pass package. Now coming to be on the safer side. Now here also to be on the safer side, I'll teach you binomial distribution also, very simple, and the probability part so that you can do it very simple, properly. Okay. So you don't have any difficulty in doing these kinds of questions. So here you can go for 40, and if here and there some question comes tough also, you can aim and easily score 30. Okay. Now coming to the 10 marker, the first 10 marker is damn simple. The first 10 marker you need to target. What is the 10 marker comes? See, they'll give you a LPP. Basically 90%, 99% or 95 to 96% will not get a word problem. Will get normally this numerical problem. So directly you already know, I'll show you also how to draw, how to do it, and we already know it will be a bounded region because unbounded is not coming. So bounded region done. After that, one matrix simple question, just put the value, multiply and get the answer. That's it. So we scored 40 without doing much. What about if we want to score 100? For that, again, for the 100 part, which questions and what is important, what is easy. Do watch it, the next series, 100 out of 100, with calculus, without calculus. Till then, be honest, be sincere, Jai Hind.